Soulfulness meditation heal, prevent the sickness, rejuvenate, and prolong life of the heart. Sit up straight, put the tip of your tongue slightly touch the upper palate. Keep your back straight, put your both hands in your heart area. Close your eyes slightly. In Western medicine, we know heart is the authority organ of life. In traditional Chinese medicine, 5,000 years wisdom come from the ancient Tao. The heart governs blood and the blood vessels. It manifests on the face, rosy glow. It houses the mind and governs mental activities. It opens into the tongue. Sweat is the fluid of the heart. Let us do the breathing technique. Close eyes. Visualize a red lotus in chest. Deep inhale. Tao Source light turning red, entering the lotus. Exhale, silent. Deep inhale. Feel the warmth in chest. Exhale. Deep inhale. Tao Source light and the lotus brighten. Exhale. Vibrates the heart and the vessels. Heart governs blood. Each thought melts stagnation. Heart manifests on face. Red glow rises to cheeks. Relax. You are surrounded with Tao Source light. Above you, below you, surround you. You are in a Tao light column. Heart houses the mind. Rest spirit in lotus. Wandering thoughts like clouds passing with all the trees. Tongue to the palate. Feel root of the tongue connects to heart. Light sweat. The sun that the heart fluid is balanced. Deep inhale. Breathe out. Inhale. Tao light come to the heart. Breathe naturally. Last 3 times. Breathe in. Deep inhale. Feel the warmth in chest. Exhale. Deep inhale. Exhale. Tao light vibrates and remove all kinds of blockage at the soul, heart, mind, body level for your heart. Totally relax. This soulfulness meditation could manifest soul healing miracle for healing your heart. If you do not have any unhealthy condition, could prevent the heart disease. Because the Tao Source light, the visualization, the sacred mantra could prevent the sickness. Everybody wants to rejuvenate, to prolong your life. You can listen once a day. If you have hard challenges, if something bothers your heart, listen 2-3 times a day. I will sing Tao Song for your heart. Relax, just receive. Close your eyes. One minute. Repeatedly listen. I wish your heart happy, healthier, prevent the heart sickness, heal the unhealthy condition, rejuvenate, prolong life, peaceful heart. From now on, the soulfulness meditation more than just make you relax, happy. It is the sacred practice that could create a soul healing miracle for your life. I have created Soulfulness Community, manifest soul healing miracle for every aspect of your life. YouTube, we do once a week. In my community, we do once a day. My top leading teacher, healer, Francisco, he's doing every day. I will try to do as many as I can. If you felt, wow, I like this meditation, join Soulfulness Community. We are committed to bring soulfulness meditation that could create soul healing miracles. Listen every day. Soulfulness Community is a free community. We love you. We hold you. We help you. Welcome. Manifest soul healing miracle for your life. Energy, stamina, vitality, immunity, wellness for the physical, emotional, mental, spiritual health, relationships, finances, and uplift your soul. Welcome you to the community. Love you, love you, love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.